Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So if you're on the latest iOS 18 or iOS 17 with the stolen device protection and now you want to turn it off, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone just like this. On the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode. This depends on your iPhone. Type in your iPhone passcode. Now hang on the Face ID and passcode page, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to Stolen Device Protection and then click on that. Now once you click on Stolen Device Protection, locate Stolen Device Protection toggle and then turn this off. Then confirm your Face ID, then you should see the Stolen Device Protection turned off. However, if you're unable to turn off the Stolen Device Protection, you'll be prompted to wait for 1 hour to enable security delay, and after 1 hour, you'll be notified that the stolen device or security delay is now ended. You can now go ahead and click on it to turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone. So without the security delay completed, you'll not be able to turn off stolen device protection. So once that is ended, after an hour, they should see the stolen device protection turned off. So that is basically how to disable or turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.